Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2, full day 2 in Iceland. We pretty much slept for 12 hours. We finished playing Monopoly Deal around 11, and then we all went to our rooms and we just like chilled. Hung and I probably chilled for about like 30 minutes, and then we went to sleep. And then Mickey was saying how she went to bed at 1. So we set our alarm for 8:25. We kept snoozing. We didn't wake up till 11. What time is it now? 10? 10:30? Anybody?
10.
Yeah, so we kept snoozing.
Actually, no, I woke up at 9:30.
Really? Oh. How's your morning so far?
Hungry.
Yes, so we got 2 croissants yesterday for Mickey and I, so we're putting that in the oven. We're gonna have eggs. We got fresh water that doesn't smell like egg. And look how cute this butter is. Yeah. So we have a full day plan. So we have a full day plan. So we will see you guys in a bit. We're gonna cook breakfast and hopefully head out soon. We're gonna be going to that church and walking around that area because I don't know if I told you yesterday, it's a really cute area. It kind of reminds me of Amsterdam. So anyways, we'll see you in a little bit. Breakfast time.
No thanks.
Eggs made by Chef Hung. Croissants baked by Mickey Tran. Mickey, that's your last name, right, Tran? Yeah. Mickey Tran.
It's warmed up by Mickey Tran.
Warmed up by Mickey Tran. Show me the goods.
Wow, the eggs are good. How'd you make these?
Good morning. Off to the market.
Yeah, where's the trap?
Good morning, everybody.
Most likely gonna snow today. We will be going down there later today. For now, we're going this way.
We're going up?
I think so. Right, Fee? Yeah. All you, Mickey!
Alright. What's the name?
Just bonus.
Bonus.
Yeah, just cross the street. It's straight ahead.
This is so cute.
Whoa, guys, look. You had that view this whole time?
One time I was like, what the hell are they filming?
Freaking tourists. What?
I know, we have
This is just my street. This is just my street.
have our vlogging.
I know. That's what I would do if if somebody did that.
I love this like type of these houses, like the concrete, like in Miami.
Where are we going?
We're going to Bonus. I guess it looks like their Walmart. So we're trying to get food for tonight.
No, it's not. It's not a 14-minute walk.
Hey, look.
Bonus, right? Yeah, Bonus. Look at the street name, UTI.
No, you gotta do the map.
You guys excited? No. To go shopping!
Patriots
I have it.
in the Vikings world.
Hung's joke.
I can't borrow it.
Sorry, it's copyrighted. Yeah, I would too. God, they all love the
I
white.
feel like a lunch together.
Yeah.
It's open. We made it. It was such a hike, but it was cool. It's fun. I like walking, especially during the winter time. I love it.
starting to snow again.
Now we're just walking around downtown. Can we check this out?
Look for donuts? It's a donut shop.
Where?
I tripped the
Can we go in here?
Yes.
Let's go into the sidewalk.
Pretty good donuts, people say.
Ooh, is it around this area? Okay.
Yeah, down this way.
When you're the only one that doesn't have data.
Keep going, Mickey.
Yum, 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 yum.
Tots I wouldn't have to.
Got some egg rolls.
Egg rolls?
And some spring rolls. This is stop because it was snowing out really bad.
Very bad.
What would you say for Vietnamese banh mi too, but I don't have it here.
So we have to get square. We wanted banh mi at first, but
It smells different.
we ran out of bread.
I just got his
Not
beer
enough
cup.
condensed milk. It's just
Just add more. Some that you want more. Did you like it? Tong's getting gas for the first time in Iceland. How is it?
cold.
I will. I need to take a picture. Smile.
The guy thought this was being
Turn right. We are on our way to the airport because
No, it says what? That's it. It's $27.
they don't do receipts in Iceland.
What? There's a receipt slip. How much is that?
27.
What?
I told you, it's expensive here.
We get the one for tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll fill it up tomorrow.
13 liters.
I hope we get a
13
good
liters,
enough
about
car
4 or 5
with
gallons.
the gas.
No way. This car take that much already.
That's $7 a gallon of gas.
Damn.
Wow.
I am done with driving. Pass it on to Fee.
The whole trip? You're done with the whole trip?
I am done. The red one, right? Our new car. Check the scratches and stuff.
We're on our way to the Black Sand Beach and the plane wrecked, and also to see the Northern Lights. We had a little
bug has
rough
2 USB.
afternoon. We went all the way to the airport, which was like a 45 minute ride, because we wanted to exchange our rental car to automatic. But then of course when we got there they didn't have it, even though we called them and they were like, oh yeah, just go to the return center.
What's
Then
the
we-
Black Sand Beach?
Can I have your phone? And then we went all the way back to the car rental place. Apparently there was one near our Airbnb. And then we finally got our automatic car with no extra charge. We came back, we prepared food, and then we're going off to the Black Sand Beach, the plane wreck. So hopefully it'll be a good night.
Land to the Black Beach canceled. The wind is crazy, blowing the snow. Since we have to go up through the mountains, you can barely see what's going on over there. Traffic is
I think some days are clearer than others.
I don't think during winter.
Yeah.
Because out here the wind is just blowing the snow all the time. Yeah.
It is.
But they do have like spring and stuff. Slow down.
I am.
Slow down, slow down.
Look at all the cars are blinking.
Oh god. I'm scared.
This is pretty cool.
Scary.
Hey, put on your blinkers just for the front.
What else can I do? You just go straight.
Just saw a bunch of search and rescue trucks driving by us.
And we see two cars being totaled.
Are they blocking that way?
Let me see.
Not letting people go. You can exit.
You guys can see it. That is on top of the mountain, 2018.
2018.
We made it back alive.
Yay!
Wasted the day just driving. Whew. Yeah, the snow came down here too. Then you need a shovel again, Fee.
We made it back.
Definitely did. I shoveled this.
Are you happy we're back? You guys just can't tell how happy.
So, Mickey and Fee just made us dinner. We have ramen noodles with eggs, and then Hung is also baking us pizza.
Pizza. Ooh, yeah. Out and about.
Day 2.
Out and about.
So, we came downtown near our area, and now we're at a bar. Mickey, do you know what you want?
Probably gonna get some wine. We just ate, so probably not gonna get dinner or food
Yeah.
here.
We're gonna get a beer and some appetizers. So, we are live. Can you tell us what we're having?
Chicken skin.
Okay, someone eat it.
Chicken skin. Really? Can you give us anything else? No napkins?
That's it. That's all you
I
get.
think it's just a hand food.
We need napkins.
We can ask when they bring us our drinks.
Guys, it's enough. Please.
No, it is enough. But.
No, eat it for the video.
Or you can wait for your beer.
Smell it.
Oh, smell like a fried. Is that a
Oh yes, us too. Thank you.
Yeah.
smell like fried pigs?
Look good?
Crunchy.
That's like a big picture. What is this?
Potato.
So we just got the hot dogs.
Famous dogs. I like it.
No, it's like
Everyone loves
no.
it.
There's a crunchy texture to it.
It's the dry onion on the bottom.
You can have just the dog and I'll have like the bread and stuff.
Yo, more for you.
Yeah. So gross. Do you like it though, Mickey? Like, would you get another one?
No.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3. So our plans have changed just a little bit. We were gonna go to, actually I'm gonna sit on the couch where I usually do. Oh yeah, we actually made this yesterday into a bed and we were playing Monopoly Deal and we were watching TV. So we were gonna go down, actually let me show you the map, it'll be easier. So we're right around here and we were gonna drive 2 hours to go around this area because we wanted to do the Black Sand Beach. We wanted to go see the plane wreck and also see the northern lights from there. And then we also wanted to see some waterfalls as well. But the winds are a bit strong today, like yesterday. If you saw yesterday's vlog at night, that was crazy, like the strong winds. So now we're gonna go have breakfast. I'm not sure if we're gonna go downtown to go get some donuts and banh mi and then go to Elftown and Vikingstown per Hung's request. It's closer to us, so it'll be easier for us to get there. And yeah, so I'm gonna do some research, For lunch, we're gonna make pasta. I actually am excited for that. For breakfast, I think we're just gonna have eggs. So yeah. Han wants to show you something for breakfast. What? What can you show the world?
The butter. Hey. It's a bonus store.
Back to the time lapse.
Blog hijack.
Black Sand Beach, and the waterfalls. We can't get there. It's 2 hours drive. You have to go through the mountains.
Vlog on vlog on vlog.
We are going to see
Right.
out of town, and
We are at Viking Village. Whew, it is cold. Ooh, can we take a picture in front of this?
Yeah.
The door. Vikings. Let's go down that way. Just wandering around endlessly. I don't know. Let me check this way. Finally, after half an hour driving around the same block, looking for parking, we are walking to get banh mi in a blizzard.
Indoor market.
Go straight. Yeah. Yeah. Let's wait for the walk like this.
Oh, it's red light. We can go. Yeah. Oh, now it's green.
Just got our banh mi sandwich and iced coffee.
Barbecue one.
That barbecue and classic, which these definitely look different than the real banh mi. And this is a $30, well, $15 sandwich
Are you serious?
per. Yes.
But,
Got the classic, right?
Yeah.
Mickey and her goosey lunch.
what is that? It's fried fish with salmon, shrimp.
But the banh mi isn't bad. It's actually good. Not great, but good. What do you think, Lev?
Sriracha's spicier than ours.
Yes, they have a different brand of srirachas here. Show you guys around this food hall.
We took a nap earlier. Then Hung and I went to go fly his drone. Of course, It fell, but because of the wind, but we were able to catch it.
We're
having dinner now.
Sorry.
It's okay. We're having
Alright,
dinner
you can
now.
go ahead.
Oh, we're having dinner now.
Okay, you can go ahead now.
This girl.
Okay. Okay, I'll stop.
And then Thief baked us some chicken kebabs. Are they good?
Yeah.
And we will go out later tonight. We'll see you guys then.
Mickey's driving.
How do you
Underneath
push this
you,
back?
on your right side. Where are you going? Where are you going?
We are gonna go to the coast and also to a restaurant that has sheep head. When in Iceland, eat sheep head is the saying.
Oh, okay. Shut it off first. Found parking!
Good job, Mickey.
Look at the church!
No, you're fine. You did fine.
Look at the parking job Mickey did! This way.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
So we just came into this restaurant that we thought were going to get sheep head. But they actually have only sheep
That's a
head.
jelly right there. This is a jelly.
That's actually the rye ice cream.
And then, yes, that's the rye ice cream.
Oh, the smell. That's a jelly. Wow.
What's the one?
That's a jelly. I know. It has little sheeps in it.
So that's actually
There's
sheep
Wait, hold on.
jelly.
And this thing is mayonnaise with peas and carrots. I'm just kidding, I don't know what that is.
I think it is.
That's what it looks like.
Oh god. That's the famous rye ice cream.
This is on top is vanilla ice cream with rye.
Can you move your hands? Okay.
I'm taking pictures. Wait. You're not taking pictures?
You don't want to put on Snapchat?
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
I want to film your
Reaction.
Alright, Phil. You gotta make that like good face, like that tastes so good.
Unbelievable.
Yo, make that face. Wow. My turn.
It's actually good.
Yeah, right.
What does it taste like?
Sheep head.
No, it tastes like a bagel with ham
Really?
Really? You're not tasting that too?
and cream cheese.
It's a pate. Yeah. It's a pate.
Alright, look
I feel like you're trolling us.
No, it's so good. It is.
Don't troll me.
It's always recording.
I hate every.
Big bite.
And you guys all loved it.
Big bite.
typically
I'm just kidding. No, don't say that. It doesn't taste like lamb. It is lamb though. Isn't that the same? Oh. Just give him a kiss and transfer it. I won't even eat it. You want to try?
I thought it was good. How about you guys?
I think it's okay. Yeah, it's not the best thing ever.
Christine can't handle this.
So we made it to this place we found on Google, and it's actually near our Airbnb, and we think we kind of see it over there.